to this video on our series for Unit 4 for Leaving Certificate Business. And in this video, what we're going to do is look at the effect of the impact of new technology on business opportunities. So, have a think about that there. What are the effects or the impacts of new technology on business opportunities? Pause the video there, have a think, and when you're ready, press play to continue. So, first one there is on production. Okay, so with technology, basically can make the production process improve not only the product quality, but also reduce the cost and give better economies of scale and improve the speed of production for the firm. There's lots of opportunities here. So if you think about if we're replacing people in the assembly line with the likes of our Cam and Kim that we talked about the last day, in the previous video, I should say, and introducing robotics and automation into the production process, but then things are going to move faster, more efficient, economies of scale, and their costs are going to be cheaper. Now, these opportunities allow the firm to expand, achieving the economies of scale, because the economies of scale is when the more you buy of something, the cheaper you'll get in the unit price of it. Improve the reputation because you're making better quality product, and achieve faster turnaround times for customers, i.e. faster production speeds, maximising profits by reducing costs. So lots of advantages there in the production process. Another side is staff flexibility. So increased use of technology. So what's up happening there? Staff flexibility, increased use of technology provide greater flexibility to staff, allowing them to e-work or work from home or work remotely, as we say now. This allows staff to have a greater work-life balance, allowing them to juggle family commitments while completing the work. So, look now, for example, if this pandemic happened 20 years ago, people wouldn't be able to work from home the way they are now at the moment, whereas now, because of technology, a huge amount more workers are able to work from home, which means they don't have to travel to the workplace, which means they can still complete their jobs. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for technology. For example, if it wasn't for technology, you wouldn't be able to sit at home now and listen to this wonderful video and learn all about the effects of technology on a business. You'd be missing out. It'd be awful, Other things is staff efficiency. So new technology can assist in achieving greater efficiency in administrative functions, like admin, paperwork, that type of stuff. It can also help management in maintaining a wider span of control. Remember, we learned about span of control in Unit 3. This will help the firm to become more efficient, reducing costs and hence increase profits. Another one is communications. Technology helps to speed up the communications process internally, i.e. between staff members, and externally, as with customers or suppliers. This helps the firm to make quicker and better decisions due to the large amount of data available to them in an instant. For example, for sending out emails or instant messaging services like WhatsApp, for example. So, think about it. Even if you think about it amongst yourselves, you can now message and contact your friends instantly due to technology. Imagine how that would work in a business, okay? Where quickly people can get instant feedback or whatever. So you're not sending a letter off in the post to someone, If you're talking externally now off to a customer or supplier, you can send an email and get information back almost instantly from them, okay? Which makes things fairly effective for them. Another thing is marketing, okay? So just think how technology has changed marketing, really. Can you think of any ways that technology has changed marketing? So, for example, there's lots of new methods of marketing stuff online now. So just even on the internet, the concept of Google Ads, well, that didn't exist a number of years ago before the internet was created. But even as well, look on social media. Look at your Facebook ads, your ads on Facebook, on Instagram, and all your different social media apps as well, and Snapchat and whatnot. So these are all new, different ways of advertising, new ways of reaching the target market for the business, and with Google Ads and internet ads as well in general, and social media advertisements, it allows business to target very, very specific target markets. And there's great data you can get from social media marketing and from Google AdWords, where you can actually see what demographics are actually looking at your ads. So you can target for a very specific age group in a specific area. So let's say, for example, if I want to do grinds in a specific part of South County Dublin for business, I can target my ads to very specifically to that age group living in that area, so to speak. So I'm getting exactly who the target market is. So I'm not wasting money spitting an ad on people that don't need or don't want to see it, who aren't going to potentially be my potential customers. This is more effective than, say, traditional media channels, where, let's say, for example, I put an ad on, say, a radio station like Spin Runner Theatre F104, which is for the whole Dublin area and not specific to the area that I'm looking for, and has a wider range of people listening to them. So it'd be more effective, more expensive and less effective at getting at my specific target. Okay. Also means you can actually measure success far easier with the marketing, with social media marketing and the online marketing. Another example is sales. So that's the business to sell the products to potential new customers that may not have previously been able to sell through e-commerce, in other words, online selling. So if you think about it, like particularly since the pandemic with COVID starting and stuff, there's been a huge increase in the shift to people buying their products online. This means that instead of, let's say, for example, if I have a local clothes shop and I'm selling it in my local village, so to speak, my target market was literally just the people that lived in my locality or people visiting. Now with online, I can sell my products to a much wider range of customers, potentially massively increasing my sales, increasing my revenues, and potentially increasing profits as well. This in turn as well could also lead to more jobs as well, which would be fantastic for the firm. Okay, and for the local economy as well. So now look, folks, we've looked at the impact of new technology on business opportunities. You can see there's a wide range of opportunities there. I've only touched on some of them there, and each of those points can go into huge detail more. In fact, you can really do a question on each of those different points in itself. So make sure you take some time to go back over that there. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway. If any questions, ask below in the comments. Please like the video. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next video, folks. Bye now.